You are now watching The Curl Poppy.
What's up, YouTube? ¿Qué lo que? My name is Christian Ramos, and I'm the one, the only, the Curl Poppy. And today, we're going to be doing a Halloween transformation because it is October. And when I tell you that Halloween is my favorite holiday, like literally, I love dressing up and creating different looks, especially now that I have a little niece. If you're following me on Instagram, you know that I love my niece. Like, she's my daughter. And having a niece lets me express my creativity in creating Halloween looks. So today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be transforming into one of the most infamous supervillains of all time, and that is gonna be the Joker. First of all, can we acknowledge this little cute look that I put together today? I was bored at work. I wanted to put my hair up, and I was like, let me keep these little two Hasidic curls out in the front. I'm giving Hasidic realness, but let me know if you guys want me to create a short curly hair, different hairstyle look, because it's giving. It's literally giving. It should cost $1 billion to look this good. If you're new to my channel, my name is Christian. I create curly content, and I know you like curly content because you clicked on this video, so press subscribe. Hello. If you're a returning subscriber, was good. And speaking of returning subscribers, listen, you already know, on my channel, I love me a good little hair wax, and I've made tons of videos. Make sure you check out that playlist right above. But today, we're gonna be using the Curls Unleashed Color Blast Hair Wax in Ivory. No, it's called Poison Ivory. And then also, I have a bunch of makeup that I have from last year that I'm gonna be using to make this look, you know, come to life. And yes, I do have makeup laying around because, like I said, I like being creative and creating characters. So here we are. All right, honestly, I know I'm gonna make a mess, so I don't know if I should change my shirt or leave this shirt or what. I don't know. All right, first things first, let me take down this hair because it is itching. You're supposed to add leave-in conditioner when you are applying the, oh, Jesus. Ooh, Jesus. Jesucristo. All right, you're supposed to apply leave-in when you are applying these I look crazy. You're supposed to apply leave-in when you are putting this product. Listen, check out all those videos because I break down how you're supposed to apply these products. Oh my God. I break down how you're supposed to use all these products in your hair, but I have a bunch of product in my hair, so I'm not gonna be applying leave-in, but we are gonna be applying water. I do have my little spray bottle, so I am going to be making sure that I saturate my hair in water so that we can apply the product.
A few moments later.
Okay, so after detangling my hair, because I didn't want to knot it up even more than what it was knotted. I'm thinking this is the look we're gonna go with before applying the color. So I'm gonna do a little like slick back and then the curls to the side, a little floating cascade of curls for this Joker look. Okay, listen, I'm really excited because this is the first time in a long time, well, this is the first time ever really, that my undercut is finally long enough for me to blend in with the rest of my hair. Oh my God, it took so long to grow. It took so long. It took so long. We're gonna go ahead and grab the Poison Ivy. Oop, I can't even open it. My hands are slippery. Jesus. We're gonna go ahead and open up the Poison Ivy color. As you can see, is it watery? Ooh, this one's a little watery. So I'm gonna hold it like this so we don't make a mess. And yeah, we're just gonna apply the color now.
Two hours later.
I'm gonna lie to you, I normally do this in front of the mirror, so I don't even know how we looking right now. Oh, okay. From the viewfinder, It's looking pretty good so far. So let's continue. Okay, so as y'all can see, got a little messy, but that was a given because I already know I've used these waxes all the time. I already know. That's why I was a little worried about wearing a black shirt. But we're gonna let this dry. I'm gonna wash my hands, and this doesn't stink, so don't worry about it. But I'll be back once this is dry so that I can continue to apply the face makeup. But right now, from what I can see, and I can't see because I don't got my glasses, but from what I can see right now, you know, it's giving Statue of Liberty, so I'm a little nervous. But we're gonna continue.
3:28 a.m.
Listen, that took way too long. You already know it takes like 5 to 7 business days for your hair to dry. Whew. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, and I need to go to work tomorrow. I work at 9:30 in the morning. So, that being said, I did get hungry, and I made me a little rice cake with peanut butter and bananas. So I'm gonna chomp on this really quick, and then we'll continue.
6.5 hours later.
I'm gonna be going in with some white clown makeup. It is from Moron. I bought this on Amazon. But yeah, let's get this on the road because I'm getting tired and I need to go to sleep or attempt to go to sleep. All right, this is actually really difficult not seeing with all my glasses and not being in front of a mirror. So I'm actually gonna come back to show you guys the reveal. Okay, bye. All right, guys, so as you can see, this is the final look for my curly Joker. As you can see, the curls are looking fire. The color is super pigmented and rich, and they're soft and bouncy out here. Listen, this makeup took forever for me to do. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I know I'm gonna struggle taking all of this off because I have to get ready for work in a few hours. Like literally, not even in a few hours, like in 2 hours. But that being said, what do you think of this look? Like, it's literally giving what it's supposed to. I am here for it. Listen, y'all better show love to this video and press that like button because even though this is a simple Joker look, the process took forever. And honestly, I am super in love with the results. Let me know down below in the comments what other curly Halloween looks I should recreate on this channel. And you know, we out here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram at The Curl Poppy because you already know I'll be posting some fleeky pics out here. And until next time, guys, bye.